Hello, I'm Jason, and welcome to another free English video lesson brought to you by Main Street English. In this video, we'll be exploring the differences between the words some and several. These two words are often used in English to refer to an indefinite quantity of something. We'll define their meanings, their use with countable and uncountable nouns, grammatical functions, and their forms some of and several of. Are you ready? Let's go. The word some is used to refer to an indefinite quantity or number. It means a small amount or a part of a whole, but we don't know the exact number. On the other hand, several refers to an indefinite number greater than two, but not many. For example, I have some books in my bag. I would like some cheese. She has several friends in the city. It's important to note that several is only used with countable nouns, whereas some can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Let's see a few examples to make this clear. I bought some apples. Countable noun. Can you give me some advice? Uncountable noun. They have several cats. Countable noun. Some and several can both be used as determiners and pronouns. Determiners are words that come before a noun to specify its quantity. Pronouns replace a noun in a sentence, helping to avoid repetition. Let's look at some examples. Some students finished their exams early. Here, some is a determiner. Several cars were parked outside the building. Here, several is a determiner. I bought too many apples at the market today. Would you like some? Here, some is a pronoun. I met many interesting people at the party. Several were artists. Here, several is a pronoun. Now, let's talk about the forms some of and several of. These forms are used before determiners and pronouns. For example, some of the books are missing. Here, some of is used before the determiner the. Some of them are old. Here, some of is used before the pronoun them. Several of the students are from abroad. Here, several of is used before the determiner the. Several of us went hiking this weekend. Here, several of is used before the pronoun us. Thank you for watching this video. Remember that some can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns, while several is used only with countable nouns. Both can function as determiners and pronouns. Use some of and several of before determiners and pronouns. If you have any questions or comments about using some and several in English, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I'm Jason with Main Street English. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more free English video lessons from Main Street English. Thank you, and see you again.